Hi, I'm Dr. Craig Austin. I'm a dermatologist and a dermatopathologist, which is a pathologist of the skin. And I practice dermatology in New York City and in Southampton, and I am also an associate professor of dermatology at Mount Sinai in New York City. Well, acne is a very common condition. Probably about half of the population at one time will develop acne. And traditionally, people treat acne with oral antibiotics, which have side effects, and topical medications, which cause irritation. And I've had an amazing success with glycolic acid, my glycolic acid pads, that treats acne with very little downside, very little side effects, and amazing effectiveness. I've treated thousands of patients with acne over 20 years, and I've tried everything from topical medication to oral antibiotics to medications that have incredible side effects. And most patients, I find when they come back, they don't use these medications because they have such side effects and they're not working that well. I created cane+austin to improve the texture of the skin and also to treat acne, two very common problems that people face. Cane is really not my partner, but Austin is Dr. Austin. But cane is the sugar cane that glycolic acid is derived from. Glycolic acid is a very simple one-step process. It's a pad that's saturated with glycolic acid. We usually use it twice a day, morning and night. If some people don't have the time, but usually they do because it's so easy to use, they can use it once daily. The patients amazingly see results almost immediately. Almost within a week's time, they noticed a marked reduction in their pore size, a decrease in the number of blemishes, much more radiance in their skin, much less inflammation in the skin. After a month, most of them have had such a marked improvement in their skin that they almost look like they don't need to be treated anymore. It's the strongest glycolic acid that one can get without going to a doctor's office, and it's just as effective as an in-office doctor's peel. Glycolic acid is probably the superhero of all the alpha-hydroxy acids in that it's the most effective in actually changing the structure of the skin, improving the skin. It also rejuvenates the skin, and it does all of that with very little side effects, irritation. It's really accepted by all skin types, all skin pigmentations, and both sexes and all ages. It's really a product that can be used for everyone.